What's up, everybody? This is Eric Gill Jr. with www.ericgilljr.com, and if this is your first time, welcome to Residual Knowledge TV. This is where I share different ways on how to make money online. Today I'm going to be talking about 21 ways to make $100 per day, so let's go ahead and dive into it. Alright, so here we are. I'm going to start number one, Google Adsense. You could set up a free account, put it onto your website, and Google does the rest. This is number one. I'm going to go through this pretty quickly. I'll have links down below just so you guys know, so you can click on those links and you could look into it yourself. I'm just trying to give you 21 ways to make $100 per day online, okay? So number one, Google AdSense. Number two, text links. There are companies that will pay to get a link back to their site. You put this on your site and they will pay you whatever somebody clicks on. Number three, sponsored posts. Similar to a text link, but you are telling your readers in Google that this is a sponsored post. Sponsored post. Easy as that. Number four, affiliate marketing. My favorite. I do this. Become an affiliate for a program or product that you believe in and share your affiliate link in blog post or online. Number five, display ads. Similar to Google ads, but your reader does not have to click, they just have to see the ad. Basically, more traffic equals more money. This is amazing on blog sites if you have one. Number six, freelance writing. You can get paid for each article that you write. You could do this on Fiverr.com. You could do this on Upwork.com. They will pay you to write for other people. Number seven, getting new clients. Now, I use my website and my blog as a marketing tool to get new clients. Basically, when people come to my website, they see the service that I'm offering, and that's how I get new clients. They put in their email address, they sign up under me, I talk to them if they want a free consultation with me, and they are a new client. Number eight, coaching. This is another way. After you have established your business and learned the ins and outs on how to grow that business, you can coach others to do the same. An affiliate program I'm a part of, we have coaches who will help you if you need help and need somebody to hold your hand as you're learning affiliate marketing along the way. Selling leads. You can go on sites like Udemy to sell your email list if you have a big list. Let's say you have 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 people, even 100,000 people. You could go on a website called Udemy.com and you could sell your email list to other people and you can make a profit from it. Does that make sense? Number 10, digital products. My favorite. You can create a digital product like an email course or a digital marketing course, PDF, video series, and sell that online and make money passively. This is passive income, if you ever heard of that term, where income is coming to you in a passive way. Very amazing. 11, an online course. You can create a nice, robust course where you bring a lot of value to teach your readers a certain skill, like how to make money online. And once it's set up, this is mostly passive income, because if you have people coming on and they believe in your product, your online course, they'll buy from you and more will come and more will buy. Makes sense. Number 12, investment gains. Now you could set up an online account and start investing. I'm not too big on this, but I have researched it and I will try to provide a link below in regards to investment gains, okay? Peer-to-peer lending. You can use online platforms like Lending Club for crowdfunding. This is for people who like to have startups, stuff like that. You can get people to lend you money. You go to Lending Club, people will lend you money. They will do it. 14, crowdfunding real estate investing. Fundrise is a great way to invest in real estate and make money. It's a great website if you're looking to invest. If you're more on a smaller scale, you don't really know what you're doing. This website is where you could put some of your money together and help other people to invest, and you'll get a percentage. Very great. Number 15, sponsored social shares. This is similar to sponsored posts, and you can have sponsors pay you to promote their product on your social media channel. I see this a lot on Instagram. This is very popular, where you'll see some people who have like over 100,000 followers, and they'll have a product that they'll be holding or saying or wearing, and they're like, this is an amazing product, and I guarantee you that that company paid them for it, and they're getting paid for it. 16. Sell stuff online. You can sell your things through online apps like Facebook, Craigslist, eBay, etc. You get to make a little money from things you don't use. Like if you have a bunch of DVDs, or if you have a bunch of clothes or whatever just laying around, just go online and sell it. You know, arbitrage. Number 17, physical products. You can create a subscription box service and have monthly subscribers for an ongoing business model. So let's say you have, a t-shirt company, and you want to sell a subscription based service. You have people buy a certain amount of t-shirts, or you have them pay to have a bunch of t-shirts come to them. I think there's one company called like Trunk Club or something like that that does that. This is a way you can make money online. Number 18 is YouTube ads. Okay, all you have to do is turn on your monetization, and the more people you have watching, the more you get paid. This one's a little bit harder to do because you have to have a certain amount of views, and you also have to have a certain amount of followers in order, subscribers, in order for you to monetize your YouTube channel. Once you have a certain amount, then you can monetize your channel. Number 19 is to have a niche site. If you create a website for a specific niche, you can sell training materials for that specific market. A lot of people in affiliate marketing do this. They may have like a fitness niche site where they'll just sell info products. People come to that website and they'll buy that stuff. It's amazing. Okay. Number 20 is brand partnerships. Now this is similar to sponsored posts, and brands will come to you if you have a decent audience size. They will buy a package to promote their product through your social channels. This one I'm not too familiar with, but I would believe you have to have a pretty big following in order for like big brands to partner with you. So that's amazing. 21, the last one, publish a book. Write a book, then promote it through your social platforms. A book is something that's, I believe, this is just my opinion, I believe is very important, because you can have it for years to come. You can have like a physical product that you can show people, and it shows value, like you're someone who's working hard, someone who is doing something with their life through your product. You have a physical book, like, hey, this is my book, I wrote and I published this. And a lot of people, they respect you for it, from what I've seen. Some people might not. That's up to them. Only from what I've seen. Okay, so that's 21 ways to make money online. Now there's other ways to make money online, and I'm sure you already know there are other ways to do that. One thing I didn't talk about was drop shipping, retail arbitrage, membership groups, or Facebook ads. There are so many ways out there, and chances are one of these ways I've shared you can implement yourself and start making some extra income. That's what this whole thing is about, making extra income. Now once you figure out a way to do that, your wealth building journey will begin. Now I'll have some links below to where you click on in reference to these 21 ways to make money online, to make $100 per day online. Okay, all right, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like this channel, share, and peace out. Have a great day.